how to blur the background of a picture with the help of Snapseed without losing the quality of a picture. Snapseed is a free tool offered by Google, available in Play Store.
Snapseed and search. When you got the Snapseed at Play Store, open the app. After opening, you got this plus button. Click on it. Pick the picture which you want to remove its background. As I have selected this one and I need to remove the background, open the tools and use this option, portrait. However you want, you can choose skin smoothness and eye clarity. And also this tool save a created copy and export its copy, and also you may have an option to export as your own selected folder. If you like the video, please subscribe to Tech and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.